In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and hitting display. Then scroll down and tap on easy mode over here. Finally, scroll all the way down and click on white switcher next to easy mode feature to activate it. Then wait. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. To go back to the standard one, access the same settings and click on no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!